Myself Harshita Himangi of class 7 going to tell you about the human heart and its working. This is the structure of our heart. There are 4 chambers in our heart. These are the 2 upper chambers and these are the 2 lower chambers. Right atrium and left atrium. Right ventricle and left ventricle. This is superior vena cava and this is inferior vena cava. Vena cava is the biggest vein of our body. This is the tricuspid valve and this is the pulmonary valve. This is known as pulmonary artery and these are the pulmonary vein. This is known as mitral valve and this is aortic valve. This is the aorta, which is the biggest artery of our body. Through the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, the deoxygenated blood from our body goes to the right atrium, then it reaches the right ventricle. After going to the right ventricle, when the right ventricle becomes full, the tricuspid valve automatically closes. And then, due to the pumping of the heart, the deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle goes to the pulmonary artery through the pulmonary valve. Then the pulmonary artery gives this deoxygenated blood to the lungs and lungs changes the deoxygenated blood into the oxygenated blood. After that, from the pulmonary vein, the oxygenated blood reaches the left atrium, then goes to the left ventricle. And when the left ventricle becomes full, then the mitral valve automatically closes. And again, due to the pumping of the heart, the oxygenated blood from the left ventricle goes to the aorta through the aortic valve. Then from aorta, it goes to the all human body parts. This is heart and its working. But now, I am going to show you this in a 3D animation way. This is the human heart which is now pumping. These are the 2 upper chambers, right atrium and left atrium. These are the 2 lower chambers, right ventricle and left ventricle. This is the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Through this, the deoxygenated blood is flowing to the right atrium, then it's going to the right ventricle. In the same way, the oxygenated blood is flowing. This is the right atrium. This is the right ventricle. When the right ventricle becomes full, then the tricuspid valve closes and the blood goes to the pulmonary artery. Through the pulmonary valve. From the pulmonary veins, the oxygenated blood is coming to the left atrium and left ventricle. Left atrium. Left ventricle. When the left ventricle becomes full, then the mitral valve closes and the oxygenated blood goes to the aorta. Through the aortic valve. This process is going on in our human heart. This is all about human heart and its working. Thank you.